This is a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, and this vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. This Dodge has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.